Does that look familiar? At Javelin, we regularly hear that our customers are waiting way too long for SOLIDWORKS assemblies to open, that they're struggling to perform quick assembly revisions without delay, that they're working with complicated imported geometry or parts downloaded from supplier websites, and more. Despite how they choose to occupy this wasted time, it's a frustrating and costly slowdown. If your large assembly is causing you pain, send it to the SOLIDWORKS doctors here at Javelin for our large assembly performance audit. We'll analyze your worst SOLIDWORKS assembly and give you a summary of where we can save you time, frustration, and money. When working with customer assemblies, we've identified methods to radically improve performance. This includes a decreased opening time in either resolved or lightweight mode, drastically reducing the amount of time spent generating graphics, or simply making the model easier to click and rotate. Please don't suffer in silence. Let our experts at Javelin show you how we can help.